Good evening everyone, this is DB Dagal Balaji. Welcome back to my channel DB Stock. Let us discuss what is going to happen in tomorrow's market about Bank Nifty. Firstly, let us start with the pre-analysis that what I have discussed yesterday. If market opens slightly flat or gap up opening after the for buying after the any candle sustain above the 82,100 or 150 only, I will go for the buying opportunity, or otherwise I don't want to go for the buying opportunity, and after that 82,300 breakout level only I will plan for the aggressive buying. That means after the breakout of this range only I will go for the buying opportunity. But in today's market, in the first 15 minutes candle itself, 15 minutes candle it appears to be a big green candle, and after that next candle is a pause candle. And how we have to go for the entry in this type of scenarios means after the breakout of this pause candle only we have to go for the entry towards upside, or otherwise you don't need to go for any buying opportunity. You don't need to see any buying opportunity in the market. And as a result, market given the breakdown of this pause candle and slow and steadily market reaches this support as we have discussed yesterday. And also I have told you about the 81,500 level support. But what happened after reaching this range, market gives the breakdown failures and slow and steadily started to move towards the 50% of this level, 82,000 round level. From here market closed at the bottom. Now what is going to happen in tomorrow's market about the Sensex market is in the presently in the, if you see this pattern means it's a flag and pole and flag pattern in the 15 minutes time frame. If this pole and flag patterns appear in the market means after the breakout of this flag high we can expect the target towards upside, slow and steadily reaching the resistance. That means breaking the resistance, market will move upside with a very good momentum. So how this will happen means, see, tomorrow if market opens flat or gap down opening means after reaching this support, that means 81,500 is the next support. 81,000 is the next support after reaching this 81,500 support. So suppose if market opens gap down opening or flat opening, after that if it gives the breakdown of this day's low, that means today's low, means we can expect the target of 81,500 is the next target. Why? Because this is a 50% somewhat 50% level near to this, so we can expect the target near to this 81,500, and after that from 81,500 we can expect the bounce back. Why? Because as a result, as market is in the formation of flag pattern, so if market has to form the flag pattern means anyhow it has to get reversal from this range, and again after some momentum market will give you the upside momentum. After some momentum market will breaks this flag pattern and it will move upside slow and steadily. So what I expect tomorrow is if market opens gap up opening means I will wait. Why? Because there is a resistance very nearby, near to the resistance are very near. That means 82,000 round level and 82,200 is a very nearer resistance. So we have to wait and watch till it breaks the 82,300 only we can get the aggressive buying when it opens the gap up opening in tomorrow's market. Or if market opens gap down opening or flat opening, after that if market gives the breakdown means I can expect the target till the 81,500 is the next target, till I can plan for the selling. From here I will plan the buying. I will plan for buying. I will plan for bullish momentum with any candle appear, that means with the confirmation of if any candle appears to be hammer candle or any moving average signal. From here I will expect some bullish momentum in the market. So as a result, after that it will be market will form the pole and flag pattern. Slow and steadily market will move. After that market will give you the breakout maybe for tomorrow, and day after tomorrow we can expect the breakout slow and steady. This is the pole and flag pattern formation. So if market opens gap up opening means I can expect the market to be closed within this range. That means it will become the sideways as tomorrow is expiry. Sorry for the on the previous analysis I mentioned that Tuesday is expiry. Sorry for that. The Thursday is the expiry for Sensex and Tuesday is for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, thank you. The next one is Bank Nifty. Let us see the Nifty, not Bank Nifty. Because Nifty is also in the same pattern. Why? Because Nifty is also in the pole and flag pattern. So if market gives the breakdown towards downside means this is the 25,000 is the next support I expect, because this is the round level, big round level we can expect as a support. From here if market gives the bounce back means I will wait and watch as this pole and flag will gives the breakout maximum I can expect that there is a chance. Why? Because this resistance has been this trend line has been tested multiple times, so this time we can expect the breakout towards upside. So if market waited at this 25,000, that means if market given the breakdown failure tomorrow, means I will wait here. From here I will go for the bullish momentum in the market. With the breakout I will add the quantity to my position. If not, if market gives the breakdown of this range 25,500, means I will wait and watch for the next move as a price action. Now let us see the Titan share in the market, how it is going to move at tomorrow's momentum. Till the breakout of this range, we don't need to go for any aggressive momentum, or whether it is buying or selling. Why? Because till the breakout of this high 35,800, sorry 3580, we don't need to go for any buying opportunity. If it gives the breakout, means we have to go for the target with the 36,600 round level. And also till the breakdown of this range, we don't need to see any selling opportunity. If it gives the selling opportunity, means there is a firstly 3,500 is the first target, and also there is a gap to be filled in the at the bottom. There is a gap to be filled at the bottom. So this is the next targets, as if market opens flat or gap up opening or gap down opening. Till the breakout of this range, we don't need to go for buying. Till the breakdown of this range, we don't need to go for selling. And after that means for selling, the target is very far, so we don't need to expect the more fall in the market. And for the target of 3,600 round level is very near, so we can expect the breakout. But only after the breakout only we need to take the entry towards upside for the bullish momentum. Why? Because if it didn't use the breakout tomorrow, means the market will stay within this range and the market will become sideways also. The same scenario in the Sensex also. See, let us see again the Sensex. In Sensex we can see this. If market didn't give the breakdown of this, breakdown or breakout of this range, means if it gives the breakdown, means there is a support here at the bottom 81,500, and also this is a flag pattern formation. So if from after reaching this level, if market waited at this point, means we can expect the pullback towards upside. So as a strong base at the bottom, 81,000 is a good support for the market, so we can expect the pullback from the market. And also if it gives the breakout of the 82,000 round level, means we don't need to go for aggressive buying. Why? Because as a result of 82,200 is this, there is another support, and 82,300 is another support. Till the breakdown of this 82,000 round level, 82,000 range bound, we don't need to expect any buying momentum in the market. Till the breakout of this range and breakdown of this range, we don't need to go for any aggressive buying or selling. Why? Because till then market will be in this range bound only. We don't need to expect any aggressive momentum till the breakout and breakdown of this range. Let us see this in HTL Tech. HTL Tech is also in the same scenario. If market opens flat or gap up opening, means after the breakout of this range, that means 60, 14, 55 or 56, after the 56 or 58, after the breakout of this range, we can expect the target of 1470. 64, 1470 is the next target we can expect, and there is a trend line at the bottom. And you can see this as there is a trend line at the bottom and at the top. If after the breakout, you can go for the entry directly. You can go for the entry. Why? Because the resistance is very near, so you can go for the entry with the breakout itself. We can expect the bullish momentum in the market. After the breakout, we have to take the entry. 1464 or 70 is the first target. Or if it gives the breakdown toward downside, means we don't need to go for any aggressive selling. We have to wait and watch, because as market has a strong support, not a strong support. From here we had seen a very strong bullish momentum in the market, so we don't need to go for any aggressive selling tomorrow. If it opens gap up or gap down, if it opens gap down or flat also, or after the breakdown of this range also, we don't need to go for aggressive selling. Why? Because this is the M pattern formation in the market. If it opens gap down after the breakdown of this range, we can expect maximum to maximum. This will be the target. We don't need to go for any aggressive selling. As a result, this is the M pattern formation, and also this is the M pattern completion also. After the completion of this target, market will get the bounce back. And after reaching this range, how the market is behaving is important. So we have to consider those aspects also in the market, those points. Only by considering those points, we have to move for it. We have to take the further entry as per the price action. And thank you. This is